That's really big.
It's built specially for these.
For the Memphis Mojos.
Yeah.
Okay.
I set them all spec for
Nice.
Shop everything audio at 12 Volt Beyond, link in the description, and use discount code JacobViral to save. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Wow, Mojos. All right. Is there a record to open this real quick?
I didn't get a chance to pose with you. He was trying to take a picture of whatever.
Nice. This is a big box. Who built this?
I had it custom made by a guy out in Tennessee.
Okay. That's really big.
It's built specially for these.
For the Memphis Mojos.
Yeah.
Okay.
I set them all spec for everything.
Nice. I like it. All right, yeah.
That is the biggest first port I've ever.
Really? Okay.
I burned it and stained it.
Where's is the ampo in the behind the box?
They're actually underneath the back seats.
Okay.
I just added this. I got done building this on Tuesday at 2 o'clock.
Oh wow.
I had
Okay.
a 2.5 hour drive to get here.
Yeah.
So I added 4 more 8-inch speakers.
Okay. Hey Jess, can you shut the back? Sorry, just making sure it's shut.
No problem.
What was your name?
Lee,
Lee. Jacob. Okay.
I started this stuff a couple months ago.
All right.
in
Uh-huh.
on Tuesday. I
Yeah.
have a chance to retune.
You're gonna have to retune it, yeah, because it'll cut
Yeah.
off after a certain point.
It only goes up to 25, 28
Yes,
instead
sir.
of 40. So,
Yep. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. Pleasure all mine.
Nice.
I was just looking for the best side.
Woo.
Pleasure all mine.
Nice.
I was just looking for the best side.
Woo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.